We are looking at a E2 infinite veranda stateroom on board the brand new and luxurious Celebrity XCEL. They use the magnet do not disturb sign, and you can see we're right here midship on deck 8. Let's have a look in the bathroom, but first have a look at the LED room control system for the temperature, the lighting, and the blinds. Have a look in the master bath. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. And there's a lip to step up here about 4 inches or so. Have a look in the main shower with a removable shower head, standard amenities, little footstool there. We'll have a single head and a single sink with chrome fixtures, soap and lotion here, a couple glasses for water, storage space. And everybody on the XCEL gets their own Wi-Fi router in the room. And yes, Starlink is active, and I have the premium internet, which you pay a little bit extra for. So I have a little coral fixture here. Everybody gets a tote bag. There is no self-laundry on Celebrity, but they do have paid laundry. And I'm an elite member, so I do get a few pressed or dry clean garments included. We have a full king-size bed. This does split in the middle into 2 twins, and it has the Celebrity XCEL premium mattress. It is fairly firm. I have a house phone there. Eric is my stateroom attendant. So plenty of closet space. You get bathrobes. And we'll have a safe. We'll have nice recessed lining above the bed. And then on this side we'll have an American power port, and we'll also have a USB-C fast charging port and a standard USB port there, but only on that side of the bed, a bit more storage space underneath, and you can put your luggage under the bed so it doesn't take up too much space in the room. Next we'll have a nice Samsung flat screen TV with the full satellite TV, video on demand, streaming services, ship information, and your Folio account. And this particular room does have a little black square if you see the deck plan. So this will be a couch for a third person if you want to have. Next they have a really nice art collection on board. So they give you a complimentary book so you can do an art tour if you have a long sea day. And then free postcards here. Let's have a look at the in-room dining menu. And look at this now, they're making some money here. $9.95 service fees and 20% gratuities. And this here is complimentary, but you do have to pay if you want the premium items now. And then we'll have a bar here, again, $10 delivery fee. And it's not 24 hours in this category at least. It's from 11 a.m. to 5 a.m. This is the electronics box here with more ports, international ports, American and USBs. So neat and tidy, just like that. This is the Celebrity Today. It's the basic daily calendar on board. We're on a 4-night preview cruise down to Cozumel from here in Fort Lauderdale. Got Captain Kirk on board. Showtimes, they have all new shows for the Celebrity XCEL. And some more of the specialty dining and activities. Spa, I did buy the spa pass so I can go to the sauna all 4 days. I'll be going right after this. And then yes, I'm an elite member, so I do get free drinks here from 5 to 7 in most bars. Elite continental breakfast in Le Grand Bistro. By the way, thanks to Bo, my celebrity liaison. She found out I was on the cruise and I got some macarons and a bottle of Veuve Clicquot. That's nice with all the tariffs. These are going way up. And look at this, a bag of chips here is $5.25 if you can believe that. We're looking at about 201 square feet plus 45 square feet or so here on the lovely infinite veranda, which I'd love to hear your comments on down below. Do you like this? Do you not? And you can control it here or via the room control system. Right, I hope you enjoyed seeing my infinite veranda here on board the brand new Celebrity XCEL. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video, subscribe here to Affluent Journeys, that helps me a lot, and put comments down below. Let others know about your experience in the room so they can see if it would be something that would be right for them. Now, I am a luxury cruise agent. I do represent Celebrity for US and Canadian customers only. If you're interested in booking a cruise here on Celebrity, perhaps on the XCEL, I'd love to hear from you about it. Most of the time, I can improve the offer that you'll get by booking direct with the cruise line. Even if you've already booked that cruise within the past 30 days, directly with Celebrity's US offices, not through another travel agent, and you're not paid in full, I might still be able to help, and I'll be glad to. So either way, you can submit an inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com, or give me a call at the phone number down below. When you book with Affluent Journeys, you deal directly with me and nobody else. Next, if you want to see my exclusive deals and special offers that I get on most major cruise lines, make sure to follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook. And then also give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see my various travels and fun things that I'm doing there. Now, I will have a full ship tour of Celebrity XCEL coming soon, so make sure to check that out here on the channel. And make sure to check out my cruise tours playlist. I have over 400 videos on the world's best cruise ships on most major lines. So that's pretty much it for now. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.